Hello, friends. Hope you're all happy and good. This is yet another very special lesson with a new and different topic. You all know that soon it's going to be the 14th of February. And you know what that means, right? Yes, it is Valentine's Day. In this lesson, we'll be learning different signs connected to this topic. Lover's Day, Romance Day. We will learn so many different signs now. Valentine's Day. What does that mean and what do people do? This is a day to express love for one another. The way it all began was those in romantic relationships expressed their love to each other. They expressed their affection by giving gifts such as cards, letters, notes, handmade greeting cards, personal artwork, and different other gifts. Love. Love. Roses. Roses. Heart. Heart. Gifts. Gifts. Chocolates. Chocolates. Flowers. Flowers. Boyfriend, girlfriend in a romantic relationship. Boyfriend, girlfriend in a romantic relationship. Romance. Romance. Couple, man and woman both. Couple, man and woman both. Fiance, man engaged to be married. Fiance, woman engaged to be married. Fiancé, man or woman engaged to be married soon. There are different signs for Valentine's Day. Signed with a heart and day, or this sign and day, or this sign for romance and day. Valentine's Day is celebrated on February 14th every year by people all over the world in different ways. Remember, Valentine's Day is in the month of February on the 14th day. It is not limited to sharing of love between a man and woman in a romantic relationship. It is extended to expressing love to siblings, family members, relatives. Show them your love, express your affection by giving gifts and passing on love. People gift each other chocolates, flowers, red roses, clothing items such as scarves, bags, and accessories to express their love for each other. Valentine's Day is famous in several countries around the world, such as the United States of America, the UK, Canada, Australia, and it is also very popular in other countries such as Argentina, France, Mexico, South Korea. In Philippines, in their culture, this is the day that mass marriages are held. On the 14th of February, men and women come together and get married. So it's a very special day, celebrated as wedding anniversary. In India too, this has been accepted and people express their love and affection towards one another, especially more so among the youth. And it is celebrated as a day to express their love. Hope you're all happy. Through this lesson, we have learned so many new signs, romance, Valentine's Day, and so on. So now what are you going to do? Spread love among friends and family. Express your love to one another. Do not limit yourself. Take this time to love and share your love with others and bring peace upon this world, right? Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.